Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Epic Games to Steam. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. Now if you want to add Epic Games to Steam, go to the games and add non-Steam game to my library and then choose the game that you want to add. If it's not listed, click browse and find the game. Click app selected programs and then the game will now be listed on your Steam library. Go back to gaming mode and it will show up as a main Steam Deck library too. So basically there is no actual way to actually pull this off, but let me see a demonstration right here. You will see that you can add friends from my Steam to my Epic Games, something like that, but linking directly you will not be able, or it is not possible to actually do that. Now it says open epicgames.com, click sign in the top right corner and then sign in into your Epic Games account. Hover over your display name and click account and then click connect below the account that you want to link your Epic Games account. So basically if there was a Steam account, you're gonna be able to do it by linking or logging with your account. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.